weekly vlog for the year. Well, there was already a vlog, but it wasn't really the weekly vlog. It was just the moving in vlog. But anyways, this is the first official vlog in the new apartment, fully living here. I slept here last night, and then I just got back from work now, and then I just changed into a t-shirt and some tights, and then I'm gonna build some chairs. I did build one bar stool last night because I just wanted to sit on it. I'm gonna show you guys now, and then now I just need to build the rest. And I may have a friend coming over, but I don't know if she is gonna come over because it is a bit late. I do get home late-ish because I get out at 5 from work, and then I can only like get here probably like 6:15 because the shuttle from work leaves at 5:30. So yeah, long story. But anyways, hopefully she can come over. It would be nice to have some company. At the moment, my sister hasn't moved in yet, but she's gonna move in either like sometime in the middle of the month or next month. But I'm really excited to have her move in as well. But in the meantime, I am just gonna enjoy, I guess, being alone and enjoy the solitude, being in my own space and things like that. Yeah, let's build a chair before Pearl comes over. I asked my sister to give me a few things when I was at work. So I got these, and I got like 3 packets of these. This is gonna be my dinner for tonight and for tomorrow night, until I can go grocery shopping on Saturday. And then also got this to clean the floors, but we haven't cleaned yet, and I don't think I'm gonna clean tonight either, but I'll see how I feel. This was all you. No. Today is a Saturday. So I am in the apartment, and if you watched the last vlog, you know I moved in this week officially, and I've been staying at the apartment for the whole week. I'm actually kind of hungover right now. Guys, it's been so nice. It's been so nice living in my own apartment. My sister hasn't moved in yet. I don't know if I mentioned in the previous vlog, but she's only moving in, I think, maybe in the middle of the month or next month. But yeah, so for now I'm just living alone, it's been nice, but at the same time I feel like I haven't been like I'm not spending enough time in my own apartment, because firstly I'm going to work, you know, in the morning, and then I come back around 6. That's the time I get home, and then by then I'm just tired, and then I'm like, okay, I eat something, then I sleep. Well, it's only been 2 nights that I spent here, but yesterday, when I got back from work, Pearl invited me over. She was having a braai with a girlfriend and a friend of theirs. So I went over, and it was so fun. Like, it's just been so fun. You know, hanging out with people, like, you know, just the whole vibe of last night was amazing. I don't want to lie, it was so amazing. We were just drinking and, you know, listening to music and chatting, and it was really nice, so chilled, but so nice. So yeah, so far it's been amazing staying here. I still have a lot to do, still have a lot of admin. You can still see, like, I have a box behind me. So yesterday we also got some deliveries. We got our fridge, the dishwasher, and the washing machine. Those were delivered yesterday. And oh, and I'm finally gonna have Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi was delivered yesterday, but it was delivered to my home. So my sister is gonna bring it over today. So I'm finally gonna have Wi-Fi, which is great, because I've been dying without Wi-Fi. But anyways, yeah, so I need to unpack these boxes, and then I don't know if the background noise is loud, because there's like a construction happening like at the back, so I'm not too sure if it's loud in the video, but I hope not. Anyways, so today I need to unbox these. I'm gonna show you guys now. Unbox the appliances, and then also just clean up in the apartment, and unpack dishes and things like that. And I'm going grocery shopping today, which is amazing because I've been living on noodles. Well, I only ate noodles one night. Yeah, because the night I moved in, I ate at home, then I slept here, and then on Thursday when I came back from work, I had noodles, and then Friday, which was yesterday, I ate at Pearl's because they were having braai. So I only had noodles once. But anyways, that's the only food I have in this apartment, literally. I don't even have dishwashing liquid. I don't have anything to wash the dishes. So currently it's a mess. But I'm going to show you guys now. Let me actually get up and show you. It's currently a mess, okay? But, you know, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. So this is the current situation. So this is the fridge over here. We got the mirror finished fridge, so I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to like to unbox it and see it like just sitting where it's supposed to be sitting. And then this is the washing machine, and that's the dishwasher, right? Yeah, that's the dishwasher. And also just want to show you guys the chairs that we built the other time. They're like fully standing, you know, they're perfect. And then where the fridge is supposed to be, I currently have my makeup thing. I haven't had the energy to move it upstairs yet. And then this is the pot I made the noodles in the other day because we don't have a microwave yet. And then got a lot of dishes, well, not a lot, just glasses from when we had wine and water, and then the noodles. So that's the current situation. And over here we still have the boxes and stuff. I need to throw these out. I don't even know when they collect garbage here, but yeah. Anyway, so that's the situation right now. Currently, okay, I'm not too sure what time it is because my phone is upstairs charging, but I'm just waiting for my sister to arrive so we can go buy the couch, and then we also gonna go grocery shopping, like I said. I don't know if I should actually just close this door because I think these trucks are so loud. Yeah, much better. So so that's what's happening right now. I'm just waiting for my sister. I already showered and everything. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Let me put you guys over here. Yeah, much better. So outfit of the day, I'm wearing this, I don't know what this thing is called, but I thrifted this a while ago, and then these pants are from Shein, and some sneakers, and this is the outfit. I don't even have mirrors, so I guess this is a way of looking at myself, because we have no mirrors in this house at all. Let me drink some water, and then I'm gonna check in with you guys a bit later. So here's the Wi-Fi finally. I just got this because I needed something like immediately, and I couldn't wait to find out about fiber and stuff like that. Let me just put it over there. Yeah, and it's cheap because it's like 500. How do you switch it on? Oh, do you have to connect it? So we just got back from Decofin. We bought a couch, so it's gonna arrive in a couple of minutes. They're delivering, and so we had to come back to the house to just wait for the delivery, and then we're gonna go out again and go shopping. Oh, we need to move the fridge. Yeah, please watch my phone because they're gonna call out. Okay.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Okay guys, so we just came from Food Lovers, and yeah, I got a couple of things. Not everything that I wanted, because they didn't have some stuff. They didn't have some stuff like strawberries and stuff like that, but I'll just get the rest at other stores. We're gonna go to 20 Food Lovers, look, Mr. Price Home, to go find some bedding, and yeah. This is cute. This is cute. It's so like you. In session. guys, we're back in the apartment, and tonight I'm not alone. My sister's here, and we are unpacking everything.
Moral support.
She's here for moral support. She's sitting on the couch. Sitting on the couch. I'm joking. She has been helping. So we have unboxed the fridge and the washing machine, and we have connected it. I didn't vlog any of that because we had load shedding during that time. So we were working with my ring light. It was on because I connected it to the laptop. And then, yeah, we're just doing that. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It looks so perfect and it fits so well in that space. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you. The house is still very much a mess, but yeah, we're getting somewhere. So this is the new baby. This is the fridge. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It looks perfect. Obviously there's nothing in here yet. But yeah. Yeah. And that's it. Okay. And then, oh, I brought my plants back from home. There's Livy. And okay, it's still a mess over here. The boxes and whatever. And then this is the washing machine. The space for the washing machine is very big. I don't know why they made it so big. But anyways, that's the washing machine. And that's the dishwasher. We haven't unboxed it yet. And then mess. And then there's groceries and stuff over here. And bedding stuff. And some stuff we got from Pep Home. Yeah. I think once the appliances are out of the way, then I'll do like a food haul. And I'll show you guys what I got. Yeah. Let's get back to it. Oh, let me just quickly show you guys. How cute is this? I was hoping to vlog somewhere. How cute is this, you guys? Wait, is this focusing? Yeah. So we got this rack from Pep Home, and then obviously the spices are from Woolies. And then, yeah, it's obviously not full yet because I didn't get all the spices I wanted, but it's looking so cute. Yeah, let's get back to work. And just, I guess, show you guys what I bought. So I just got these paper towels and baking paper because I'm gonna bake what's this, cinnamon buns. So those are my favorite things to bake. And then I got some bagels and okay, next is this peri sauce. I don't know, I've never tried this before, but I couldn't find I did find the one that I wanted, the Sriracha sauce, but it was too expensive, so I was like, no, never mind, I'm just gonna get this. So I hope it tastes nice. And then I got some chickpeas. I got 2 of those. And I got this vegan burger mayo. I hope it's gonna taste nice, because all other vegan mayos that I've tried before, I've absolutely hated. Like, absolutely hated. So I really hope this one will taste nice. And then I also got this window and glass cleaner, and that's just for like the fridge because it's mirror finish and it's gonna have fingerprints all over. I just know. And then the glass table as well. So yeah. And then What else? Oh, I got some kale, and I also got some spinach. These are just for my smoothies in the morning because that's what I'm going to be eating in the morning time. And then I got some lettuce. Yeah, nothing interesting there. And some fresh green beans. I love green beans. And it's so funny because I used to hate when I was younger, I used to feel like I'm dying if I had to eat green beans.
We would literally die.
It was the worst thing ever. But you know what? I know why I didn't like them. Because we always used to eat like frozen veggies, right? And there's a huge difference like in taste between the fresh green beans and the frozen ones. The frozen ones taste disgusting. They taste soggy, and even like the flavor isn't there. With the fresh ones, they taste sweet, crunchy, they're literally perfect. Okay, moving on. I got these nuggets as well. They're vegan.
I'm a vegan nugget.
They're vegan. And then I also got the burger patties. I actually don't know how many are in here. I was wondering when I bought them, like, hey, there's only like 2.
Wait, 6.
Okay, there's 4. Shame. That's pretty normal. I hope they taste nice. I've never had the Woolies brand vegan stuff, so hopefully it tastes nice. Oh, and we also got a corkscrew, finally, because we didn't have one. I remember when we went to Cape Town last year, and then we went for the wine tasting, the first Cape Town trip, and then Uzanane bought wine by Constantia, and then we got home, and then we realized, but this wine is like, it needs a corkscrew, and we didn't have one. How did we end up opening it?
We borrowed the corkscrew from the brother and second time. You're gonna need 75.
Imagine, we borrowed a corkscrew. Okay, and then I also got some celery. This is also for my smoothies. I actually enjoy celery in smoothies. It tastes really nice. And then I got the sparkling water because I feel like it's a staple. Like you just have to have it in your fridge. I don't think this is the best sparkling water, but don't look at me like that. I don't think it's the best sparkling water, but if you like see anyone like making a reel or whatever, aesthetics, it's just purely aesthetics. I'm not even gonna lie. Like,
So no.
so aesthetics, must be cute.